Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how we can download latest editable CV templates for free. Just search for cvgenius.com. This one, click it. Here, click CVs, then CV templates. Scroll down. You see here I have these templates, this one also, this one. Which one you prefer? Scroll down, you will see more templates. Okay. For example, I want to download this one. Just click download. Yes. Download. Open folder. Unzip. Click open it. Yes, this one is formatable. Now you can change its name, your name. Here also it's editable. You can change it. That's it. After changing, you just from file, save as. Okay, save as PDF, desktop, your CV. Save. That's it. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.